बँकेत नवं खातं उघडण्याबद्दल बोलणी.
Conversation about new bank account.
I want to open a saving bank account in your bank. Mrs. Rajni Gupta is our branch manager. Please see her. Thank you, dear. All right, sir. May I come in, madam?
You are welcome. Please take your seat.
Okay, madam.
What can I do for you?
My name is Tarun. I want to open a saving bank account in your bank.
Do you want to open a joint account or a single account?
Single account in my name.
Here is the form. Please fill it up and get it introduced by a person who already has an account with our bank.
I also want a check facility.
Then you have to open it at least with rupees 2000.
Can I avail the nomination facility in this account?
This facility is available for all types of accounts as per government direction.
I shall bring this form tomorrow. Is there any other form also?
Yes, please. Take this form also.
Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you for your kind visit.